Imagine escaping the grind of your 9 to 5, turning your back on the cubicle life forever. With affiliate marketing, it's not just a dream, but a tangible goal. You could be banking $13,000 each month. Forget about the endless cycle of paycheck to paycheck. This is about harnessing digital platforms to create a stream of income that flows even as you sleep. In affiliate marketing, traffic is the heartbeat essential for survival. Picture trying to make a sale in an empty store. That's affiliate marketing without traffic. The traditional roads to attract attention are packed and often lead nowhere. Now, consider the power of integrating your offer into a platform like Gmail, where people spend a significant chunk of their day. Gmail ads are not just your average billboards. They sneak into view at the top of someone's inbox, disguised as just another email, but tagged discreetly as an ad. This strategy isn't intrusive. It's more like a welcome suggestion during their daily routine. The beauty of Gmail lies in its user base, massive and engaged. The value of these ads lies in their placement, front and center upon opening the inbox, making them impossible to ignore. They transform routine email checks into opportunities for your ad to shine. With billions of active users, your ad doesn't just have the chance to be seen, it's almost guaranteed an audience. Here, affiliate marketing meets opportunity in the most strategic of locations, making every email notification a potential win for your campaign. Gmail ads represent an untapped frontier for affiliate marketers, marrying direct accessibility with the subtle finesse of appearing as regular emails. These ads cleverly nestle atop the inbox, distinguished only by a faint ad label, masquerading as just another email, a strategic placement that guarantees visibility without the intrusion. Take, for instance, ads from Shopify Plus and HelloFresh. These aren't merely advertisements, they're gateways. Each click doesn't just redirect to a product page, it carves a path directly to an affiliate marketer's earnings, courtesy of meticulously crafted affiliate links. Herein lies the genius. These ads aren't random shots in the dark. They're sniper shots, aimed with precision at targets likely to convert. But why Gmail ads? For starters, they tap into Gmail's massive user base, engaging potential customers where they're most attentive. The real allure, however, lies in their format. Unlike banner ads that scream for attention, Gmail ads whisper, inviting interaction without the pressure, seamlessly integrating into the daily routine of checking emails. The emphasis on service-based products for recurring income cannot be overstated. In an ecosystem teeming with one-off sales, service-based products offer the golden goose of affiliate marketing, recurring commissions. By focusing on service that require monthly subscriptions, affiliate marketers open streams of passive income that flow long after the initial sale. What sets Gmail ads apart in the vast sea of online advertising options isn't just their unique placement or the inherent trust users have in the platform. It's their ability to reach potential customers in a personal, almost intimate environment, their inbox. This direct line of communication, when used responsibly and creatively, allows for personalized messaging that can resonate more deeply than any banner ad ever could. Furthermore, the scalability of Gmail ads is a notable advantage. With the right targeting, a single ad campaign can reach thousands, even millions of potential leads, each interaction a step closer to a sale. This scalability, combined with the cost-effectiveness of Gmail ads compared to traditional advertising channels, makes them an attractive option for affiliate marketers at all levels. Success with Gmail ads, however, demands more than just a good product or an enticing offer. It requires a deep understanding of your audience. Knowing what services or products will genuinely benefit or interest your audience can transform a simple ad into a compelling call to action that feels more like a recommendation from a trusted friend than a sales pitch. Gmail ads offer a unique blend of visibility, engagement, and trust, making them a potent tool in the affiliate marketer's arsenal. By focusing on service-based products for recurring income and leveraging the direct, personal nature of email communication, affiliate marketers can not only achieve, but surpass their marketing goals. turning the everyday task of checking emails into a revenue-generating activity. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. After understanding the importance of Gmail ads in reaching a highly engaged audience, the next critical step is tailoring your approach with a keen sense of personalization. By diving deep into audience analytics, you understand not just who your audience is, but what they truly care about. This knowledge allows you to tailor your messages, making every email feel like it was crafted just for the recipient. Imagine sending out a campaign where each ad feels like a personal recommendation rather than a broad-spectrum broadcast. This approach opens doors to higher engagement, trust, and ultimately, conversions. Personalization is about aligning your content with their interests, challenges, and behaviors. This could mean segmenting your audience to offer more targeted products or tweaking your messaging based on past interactions. The magic here lies in making each member of your audience feel seen and understood, significantly boosting the likelihood they'll click through and convert. Tools and strategies abound for slicing your audience into distinct segments, enabling you to send out highly relevant content. And the beauty of it all? Personalized campaigns have been shown to dramatically increase open and click-through rates, turning your efforts into a substantial increase in affiliate earnings. Yazan emerges not just as a platform, but as a goldmine for those keen on discovering products that promise not only profits, but also the golden ticket of recurring income. It differentiates itself by being more than just a mere marketplace. It's a guide through the labyrinth of potential affiliate products, spotlighting those with the power to generate steady revenue streams month after month. Navigating Yazan is akin to having a detailed map in a vast landscape of affiliate opportunities. It simplifies the quest for products by offering a clear, intuitive interface that showcases a wide array of options. From software services like Bluehost, offering $65 per sign-up, to a myriad of others spanning categories from tech to wellness, Yazan directs you to the ones worth entering. The platform's real strength lies in its focus on service-based products. In a digital age where subscription models reign supreme, securing a slice of recurring revenue can transform a side hustle into a sustainable business. Yazan excels here, presenting products that ensure affiliate marketers earn not just once, but month after month, cultivating a passive income stream that can steadily grow over time. For instance, selecting a product like Bluehost on Yazan is about aligning with a service that's essential for everyone looking to make their mark online. With each referral, marketers not only earn an initial commission, but stand to gain from the continuous cycle of subscription renewals, ensuring a consistent income flow. Yazan's diversity in products means there's something for every niche and interest. Whether it's leveraging the booming demand for digital tools or tapping into the evergreen need for health and wellness services, the platform ensures that every marketer finds their match. Crafting your Google Ads campaign is the crescendo of your journey to affiliate marketing mastery, where precision meets opportunity. Diving into Gmail ads is a strategic incursion into your potential customers' daily digital routine, making every inbox a potential goldmine. Choosing to target the high-income countries is a calculated move, not a wide-cast net. These regions are fertile grounds where your ads are not just seen, but acted upon, translating views into valuable clicks and conversions, aligning your budget with pathways to profitability. Setting your budget is like setting sails in the vast ocean of digital marketing. Prudent start with room to expand ensures you're navigating towards success without risking it all at once. It's a balance of ambition and sustainability, laying the groundwork for a campaign that grows in reach and impact. Keyword optimization goes beyond mere selection. It's about aligning your message with the queries and needs of your target audience, turning searches into rendezvous points with your ads. This targeted approach ensures your campaign speaks directly to those most likely to engage, making each ad a resonant echo for their digital voice. The crafting of your ad content is where your campaign's soul is forged. This is where visual appeal meets persuasive narrative, each element meticulously designed to draw the viewer closer to the action. Your ad should beckon, not badger, inviting interaction that feels organic and welcome. Reviewing and launching your campaign is the final critical step before your strategy takes flight. This phase is less about second guessing and more about ensuring every component of your campaign aligns perfectly with your goals and Google's guidelines, poised to pierce the heart of the market with precision and flair. Your journey from the 9-to-5 grind to mastering the digital realm with affiliate marketing is not just a path, but a transformation. Armed with strategic insights, from tapping into the potential of Gmail ads to selecting the right products on Yazoo, and finally setting your Google Ads campaign, you're now positioned at the cusp of change. This is about thriving, creating a sustainable income that flows as you embrace the freedom and possibilities that lie beyond the traditional workday. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.